Hey everybody, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you some breaking news. This came out yesterday. So there was a NECA Virtual Convention yesterday that DeWalt was at, and of course, you know, they can't do real conventions right now because of the pandemic. So at this virtual convention, DeWalt announced a brand new Atomic Compact Series 20-volt MAX Bandsaw. And so they sent us this press release yesterday, and it says here that the Atomic Compact Series 20-volt MAX Brushless Cordless 1 3/4 inch bandsaw will have a model number of DCS377. And they said that it's made for one-handed, fast, one-handed cutting. So let's dig into the details of what they gave us here in this press release and take a look here together. So they're telling us that this Dewalt Atomic Compact Series bandsaw has a 1 3/4 inch cut capacity, and it allows the cutting of the most common sized metal diameters found on the job site, making it ideal for electrical, plumbing, mechanical, and other metalworking applications. It is lightweight at just 6.6 pounds for the bare tool, and it features an integrated guard for one-handed overhead cutting applications. And it has a surface feet per minute rating of 150 to 380, and the bandsaw features a variable speed trigger and a speed dial for control when cutting materials such as, stainless steel, struts, or all threads. Now it's interesting, they didn't mention whether you can do the metal studs that we commonly use inside the walls for drywall nowadays. I'm assuming it can, and looks like the blade that they show in the picture there is pretty fine-toothed, but I'm surprised that they didn't actually call it out, because that's a very common thing, and it's a real pain in the butt to cut those with, even with the metal snips that we use, the aviation snips, because it's still a three-step process that you still need to kind of make sure you get those corners right when you cut around it and try not to bend or crimp the corners. But anyway, let's look at what they're saying. So in this press release, DeWalt is saying that this new Atomic Bandsaw is designed with an integrated hang hook, allowing users to hang the tool between cuts, and it has an LED light to help with illuminating the area. The rafter hook is a great thing, because now my version of the DeWalt circular saw, which I did a review of about 6 months ago, you saw me talking about that, how the older revisions of my tool didn't have the rafter hook, but mine did. And so a lot of carpenters were complaining about that they didn't get a rafter hook. So DeWalt, once again, has made sure that on most of their job site tools that they're putting the rafter hooks. They even have it on my version of their fan, too. Here's a short excerpt from that video where I show you the operation of these rafter hooks. Okay, so here's how the rear hooks work. So you have this one that pulls out here like this, and I like that it's rotatable too. If you pull it all the way out, you can spin it sideways or all the way up, and it sort of has a detent that it locks into place. It doesn't really lock into place. It gives it a sort of a range here, but it has a stop built into it. See, the stop will keep it from going any further than straight up. And the other hook does the exact same thing. You pull it all the way out, and you rotate it all the way up, and it has a detent at about the halfway mark, and a stop here, fully vertical. Okay, now with the rear hangers, you just rotate them down until it clicks, like that. Then you push it in, and you'll feel it click right there. So I tried looking on Home Depot, and there's nothing on Home Depot yet, and it's because this Atomic Compact Series bandsaw will not be shipping until February 2021. Now, it will be available in a kit, and it's kind of funny. They showed the listing for the kit on DeWalt's website, but it doesn't tell you what's in the kit, which is kind of funny. So here it is here. The kit is going to be DCS377 Q1, and it is going to come with a 4 amp hour battery, and it will be priced at $299 for the kit. Or if you want to buy the bare tool by itself, the bare tool will be priced at $199. And then, of course, the replacement DeWalt 27-inch 18 TPI bandsaw blade 3-packs will be available in early 2021. So they're not really saying when. And typically what I see with manufacturers with new tools is the accessories don't get released until later. So it does you very little good, in my opinion. So that's what we have here. It was a very short press release. This is the one and only picture they gave us. There was no video. There was nothing yet. Hopefully there will be more stuff coming out going forward on this. So here is the current lineup of bandsaw kits that are available at Home Depot, the kits that have been out already. So I will put a link to this down on the video description below for you. And as you know, these are affiliate links that we get paid for if you buy something through there. I mean, if you're living under a rock, you certainly should know that anybody that gives you a link to something these days, whether it's on Amazon or Home Depot, it's a link that we've generated that if you make the purchase, we get a very small commission. But it helps support our channel, and we thank you very much for that support of our channel. But I just thought I would let you know what is going on here with that. Okay, now I wanted to show you, we did a couple of live streams yesterday. This one here, the second one that shows the 175 off, here we showed you that incredible deal on that DeWalt hammer drill that comes with 2 5-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a hard carry case. And we showed you exactly what you have to do and where you have to find it and how to score this deal, because it's $319 online. But at our store, it was $144, which is what most people are reporting. Some people are reporting $200, but mostly you can get it in the $144 range, and that's a screaming steal. Because to get this kit for $144, you're paying less than the price of one of the 2 5-amp batteries that comes in this kit. So you're essentially getting that whole thing for $175 off. But it's very elusive, and you're going to have to go to a couple of different Lowe's to find it. Also, the other night we put up this video here showing our initial unboxing and review of the DeWalt 3-tool woodworking kit. Another great kit for $299 with 3 excellent tools in it. That's only available at Lowe's, and it's only available up top. You have to know where to go to look for it. And again, we show you in that video as well. And if you like this video so far, if you found this informational, hey, would you do us a favor and give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And man, look, if you're not subscribed to us, look at all of these different videos that we put up for you all the time. And lots of great videos on remodeling your homes and your kitchens and your bathrooms and tiling and engineering disasters like we showed you here the other day with this plumbing fail. So make sure if you're not subscribed that you click on that subscribe button and click the little gray bell icon next to it. That will tell YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.